So we have right isosceles triangles that are constructed on the sides of a 3, 4, 5 triangle as shown. And the capital letter represents the area of each triangle and want to know which of the following is true. So I guess one of the most straightforward ways to do this is just to find the area of each triangle directly, right? You could, say, okay, the area of triangle W is going to be 1/2 base times height. So 1/2 of the base is 4 times the height is 3. So the area of the triangle is 6. So we know these are all, what do you call them? They're all right isosceles triangles. So that means this length here is 5. This length here is 4. This length here is 3. So the area of triangle X is going to be 1/2 times 3 times 3, which is 9/2. The area of triangle Y is going to be 1/2 times 4 times 4, which is 8. And the area of triangle Z is 1/2 times 5 times 5, which is 25/2. Okay, so just to write it here, we have W is 6, X is 9/2, Y is 8, Z is 25/2. So now, to do the question, kind of just like brute force through the answer choices, I guess. One way you can do that, you can just kind of test them, right? I think it should be pretty intuitive. I'm hoping everyone knows how to just go through and test them, right? If you were to just do the math and just plug in the numbers, A doesn't work, B doesn't work, C doesn't work, and D doesn't work. Turns out E is the only one that works. If you do X plus Y, 9/2 plus 8, that gives you 25/2, which indeed gives you choice, or which indeed gives you Z, which is 25/2. So E would be the right answer. Another way you could have done this question is what you could have done is, I guess instead of directly calculating out the answers, we know that by the Pythagorean theorem, if you just look at the Pythagorean theorem on this green triangle, right? On the green triangle, we know that 3 squared plus 4 squared has to equal 5 squared by the Pythagorean theorem, right? Obviously. So if we were to divide everything by 2, right? If I divide this by 2, divide this by 2, divide by this by 2, that's perfectly legal, right? I'm dividing by 2 on both sides of the equation. 3 squared over 2 represents the area of triangle X, right? 1/2 base times height. 4 squared over 2 represents the area of triangle Y. And 5 squared over 2 represents the area of triangle Z. So you could immediately get that X plus Y equals Z from that too. That would also give you choice E, which is the right answer.